SBD, Molly J.
This one's for you. I hope you're doing alright. Just know I'll always love you. Please don't forget.
For the 10th, 2008. That was the day I met little Molly J. It's like yesterday, the first time I seen his face. Don't see him no more, I want the pain go away. How come my sister locked me out like this? All I wanna do is be there for the kid, be the uncle that the boy always missed. Give him big hugs and he loves to be kissed. And sis, this track it a diss. I just want you to know the little boy still missed. Every time I see his face I feel a pain in my chest. Time's flown by, make sure you give the boy my best. He's growing up fast now and times have changed. I don't want my name become a memory that fades. I'm sorry that I'm going back to the cage.